This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and tonight I'm making French Toast Casserole. I'm actually putting it together tonight, putting it in the refrigerator and letting it set overnight and baking it in the morning. So I'm going to need 2/3 cup flour, a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 8 tablespoons of butter, 6 eggs, a dash of salt, 2 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2/3 cup of brown sugar, and 12 slices of Texas toast bread. I'm also going to need some maple syrup and powdered sugar to serve it with. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is cut our bread into 1-inch squares. We're going to take our 1-inch cubes and place them in a buttered 9x13 pan. Now in a large bowl, we're going to mix together our 2 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 6 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to whisk this together until the eggs are completely mixed in. Now we're going to take our egg mixture and we're going to pour it over our bread. We want to make sure all of our bread is covered, so you might have to use a spoon to mix it in. Now we're going to tightly cover our bread mixture with plastic wrap and set it inside the refrigerator. Now we're going to mix together 2/3 cup flour, 2/3 cup brown sugar, dash of salt, teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to whisk these together. Now we want to cut in our butter. We have 8 tablespoons of butter and we want them cut very finely. So cut into small pieces. And I'm going to use some knives to cut this in. We're going to also cover this with plastic wrap and let it set in the refrigerator overnight. Good morning, it's time to get back to our French toast casserole. We're going to remove the plastic covering on our bread mixture. Cover it with an aluminum foil. Bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. It's been 30 minutes, so we're going to remove our bread mixture out of the oven and take off the covering. We're going to take our topping and we're going to add it on top. We're going to bake uncovered for another 20 minutes. Our French toast casserole looks amazing and smells delicious. I can't wait to serve it this morning. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe.